check it out. You got a normal light switch. And then over here, we got a light switch. This is a light switch. It's sticky. Ew. Oh, it's sticky on the bottom. Anyway, what's the difference? And it's a standard 120 volt light switch, but it's got a box and it's bolted shut. And then we can see this is not a normal conduit either. It's a threaded conduit. And if we look up top, we got an emergency lighting and an exit sign that they got covered in a plexiglass. And when you look up, they go to more threaded conduit and they go to these boxes. So all this conduit is threaded. So how you get a conduit down the wall and thread it into a box? And you gotta thread it from the inside. It's not an easy task. But why? Why is that? If we open this door, we got another light switch, and it's also threaded. The threaded connector on the top, and they've plugged the hole in the bottom. And you can see there's more threaded junction boxes. Now, weird looking junction box. And here we have, I think, this is an occupancy sensor right there. And it's also threaded. So now the question is, why? And then look at these lights. These lights are the same. They got quite solid. Well, why is that? Dun dun dun. So, if you want to know, if you want to guess, you can guess now, or you can pause the video and think. But if you keep playing, the spoiler's coming, and the spoiler is that is a chemical lab. So when you flip the light switch on, the tiniest spark could happen in the light switch or in the light or whatever. And if there's chemicals that get into the air, some of those chemicals, let's say we got a cloud of like ammonia or whatever, it's all over the place. It gets into the light switch, and it gets into the conduit, and it gets into the lighting, and then boom, you got a big explosion. So they call these explosion proof. Well, they're actually vapor proof. So these are like airtight from end to end. So the whole electrical system is airtight, and that means no air can get into the light switch. So if there's a toxic gas in here and we turn the lights on, a spark from here won't ignite the gas and burn everybody in the room. Same with that light. Although they only did it here, and this room is much bigger. They didn't do it here, and they certainly didn't do it with the card readers. So it's kind of weird. I don't know. They did it with the exit sign though, but they did it with the emergency lighting, but they didn't do it with everything. So they did it with that emergency light. These are standard light fixtures. It's kind of strange though. I don't know.